And that just magically worked. I guess Twitch is down now. Is it? Is it? Mhm. Yay, we have Twitch also now. Perfect. Oh, let me just see. Yeah. Um, we're all set up. Yeah. And we have the live scene now. Let me just set the Zoom. And we can continue where we left off yesterday. We have 26 questions to go. Hopefully, we can get them done as soon as possible, because we've got other stuff to do too. Let's go in reverse order today. We have this open. This was a 150, right? Yeah, it's all good. Nice and big. Ooh, did that actually happen? Which one is open, brother? I guess I'll have to just wait. In the meanwhile, we can open up the solutions, I guess. CKA profile. Misclicking a lot today. Copy link. We have the solutions open just in case when the names don't match and verification fails because of that. That's when we need this. 50. Oh, too much. Perfect. I guess we'll just have to wait. Can we do anything in the meanwhile? Yeah. Come on. Define a command and arguments. Yes. This is how they tell us, but you can give it a different way too. Anyway, that's fine. Are we there yet? Let's check out creator. Please choose a profile name. Never mind. Oh yeah. Would it be possible to make documentation of the solutions? How we reached the solution? I don't know. It would be a little difficult. Come on. Yay, we are in. Thank you, Kilakoda. Always remember to set the context. So the question is, Pressure deployed a pod named mypod. However, while specifying the resource limits, they mistakenly gave 100 megabytes MI storage instead of 50. Node doesn't have sufficient resources, so change it to 50. Okay. Okay, get pods. Yeah, we'll just have that ready. Export cube editor equals nano. Damn. Okay, need to paste this and edit pod my pod. Storage limit, right? By storage, I think they mean memory. Oh, numlock was not on. Okay, it will save it here, so that's fine. Okay, replace -f force, deleted, replaced. Okay, describe pod my pod. We have limits of 50 MI and we are done. Perfect. The question is, the deployment named video app has experienced multiple rolling updates and rollbacks. Your task is to total revision of this deployment and record the image name used in third revision to file app file.txt in this format. Revision total count, comma, image name. Okay. Okay, get deployments, video app. Okay. Okay, rollout, history, video, deployment, video app. There are 3 revisions, and okay, let's see what all stuff we can do with rollout. Rollout, history, revision equal to 3. Okay, revision 3. The image was Redis, so let's just save that to nano app, copy it, paste it. Let's copy this again. Revision total count is 3 and the image name is this. You can check, and that's perfect. We are done with that. New question, setting context. There is an issue in my app deployment YAML manifest file. Fix the issues. After fixing, make sure pod are running state. Don't remove any specs. Okay. Nano. Let's just exit. Okay. Apply -f. My app. Dry run. Client. Oh, never mind. The deployment is invalid. Invalid value 5 must be less than or equal to CPU limit of 500 invalid value of 100 must be less or 10. Okay. This should be 100. Request 100. And wait, no. Oh, 100M. Okay. CPU limit. Okay, someone has set that limit, I guess. Requests is wrong. 100 and 500M. Must be less than or equal to, yeah. Created K get pods. Error image pull. Okay. Let's see. What image is it using? Not latest. Again, apply. Configured K get pods minus watch. 5 seconds ago. Pending. Why? K describe my pod, my deployment 77 nodes unavailable, untolerated paint. K get nodes grab taint. Describe nodes. No schedule, none. They're both ready, but nano, my, what are the selector? Okay, not that selector. Node 1 is open, right? Then why can't it place on that? 1 insufficient CPU, 1 has untolerated taint. SSH node 01 top. How much CPU do you have? I don't know, but exit. I can decrease my CPU to, I guess, 100. Okay, apply. Let me just get back to the top. Watch terminating. Okay. Okay, describe my app. Okay, describe pod my app deployment. Or is it running? It pods. It's running. Amazing. Check scenarios. Yeah, I didn't want to add tolerations and stuff, so you could, if you could just change that, then why use tolerations and stuff, right? Because time is of the essence. You need to create a Kubernetes pod and a service to host a simple web application that prints it works when access. Follow these steps. Create a pod named mypod with the following specifications. Okay, run my pod container name. Okay, image. Can I give port? Perfect. 80. No. Name. No namespace also. Dry run equals client minus YAML pod dot YAML. I'm sorry if you heard that. I don't know. Let me check. I really want to know actually. I can't go back in Twitch. Oh, I didn't edit that. Oh, so it was there whenever I was speaking in the background. I'm sorry about that. I do have to change that too. Let's do that after this question. I have to change the stream title. Okay. Nano pod.yaml container name. We want it to be app container. Create a service. Okay. Expose. Okay. Apply minus f pod.yaml. Okay. Expose pod my pod by the name app svc with the label app lab. You don't have that, but okay. Port 80, target port 80, type cluster IP. Okay. Yeah, dry run equals client minus o YAML, save it to svc.yaml. Nano svc. Beauty. App lab. That's just app is app lab, and that's what I want my selector to be too. Anything else that was required? Or just as much, right? Okay, delete minus f pod.yaml, nano pod.yaml. Okay, apply minus f dot. Okay, port forward. My pod 8080. So 80. You can just call this thing. Bruh. This. Call this thing. It works. Validation failed. Which part of the validation failed. Okay, get SVC. I guess because it has extra labels, that's it. Nanopod. Just remove this label. Nano SVC. Just remove this label. Nanopod. Is there anything else? No, right? Okay, delete -f dot and this done. Okay, apply -f dot. Yeah, please check again. Okay, get pods. What the hell? Pod named app, or why is it my pod? Nano pod. Did I do app SVC? Yeah. I'm rushing it and I'm making like very minor mistakes, which could cost me. Okay, let's be careful from now on. You need to create a Kubernetes pod and a service to host a simple application. Isn't that what we did right now? Okay, run app pod --port 80 image http latest dry run equals client -o YAML pod.yaml pod.yaml. I want labels to be lab and yeah, container name to be app container. Okay, apply. Okay, expose pod app pod port 80 target port 80 type cluster IP. Yeah, that should do it. Check. Select the pod with the label. Oh, I didn't give it the name. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, delete. Let's see. App pod. Done. Yeah, we're done with this. Set the context and let's begin. Within the default namespace, there's the web application deployment named web app deployment that relies on an environment variable that can change frequently. You need to manage this environment variable using a config map, follow these steps. Create a new config map named create CM. That's only for expose. With the key value pair from literal application equals web app. Update the deployment to utilize. Okay, let me just use this. Okay, edit deployment, web app deployment. No. So, and environment, configure pod to use config map, yes. And single config map, yes. Value from, name, and key. Need this. Need this. Need to take this. Yeah, this could be issue. So let's open up new tab. Okay, get CM. This is the name of the config map, and the key is application. We do need that, right? Yeah, name. Okay, get deployments to date 1 up to date 2. Check, please. Done and dusted. Pod service 1. Go back. I didn't start that one. Pod service 1. Okay, that's the one we have. Oh, pod service was done. Yeah. Create a pod named Ubuntu pod using the Ubuntu image with the label set to app equals OS. Oh yeah, we can give labels from here. Now create a service named Ubuntu to expose the Ubuntu pod app within EC. Okay. Wow. Run Ubuntu pod with the image Ubuntu labels app equals OS. Done. Okay, describe pod Ubuntu labels just one. Okay, now create a service named expose. Let me just get it to the top. Pod Ubuntu pod with name array within cluster on port 8080. Done. Okay, get pods -o wide. Just check. I guess because Ubuntu has nothing to run. Like HTTPD has a running application or a service, right? Ubuntu does not have that. That's why. Yeah, I wish we could have music. I'll try to get music, but I don't know if that would be distracting or not. Create a new deployment named cache deployment. Okay, create deployment in the default namespace using a custom image. Ensure that the deployment has the following specifications: replicas equals to 2, strategy. Okay, never mind. Configure the max unavailable field to 30% and the max storage to 45%. Deploy the and ensure that all parts are in ready state. Now perform image upgrade. Okay, first let's do this. We will need this and a edit deployment cache deployment. It should be rolling update strategy. Max unavailable is to be 30 and max surge to 45. Okay, get pods. We have both running. Perform an upgrade. Okay, set image of the deployment. How do we do this? Okay, set image deployment. Yeah, deployment slash cache deployment. I guess it's supposed to be the container name. Okay, describe deployment cache deployment. Okay, edit deployment cache deployment. Container name. What is the container name? Redis. Okay, let me just bring that up. Control Y. Redis equals Redis starts 7.2.1. Okay, rollout history, deployment, cache deployment, total revision count, nano 2. Is that right? Validation failed. Okay, get deployments up to date are about 2, but I guess because I did that, it didn't like it. Because we changed it after making it over here. So if we make this 50 and save it, I want to see. No. Save the total revision count. 2. Did I not save it? Validation failed. Okay, edit deployment. Max unavailable. Yes. Max surge is 45. Max unavailable is 30. We have rolling update. What else? Name is set. container is now changed. Just get pro. Didn't work. Let's see. Work load and scheduling. Yeah, this seems to be the one. They just wanted us to add this stuff. Yeah, that's what I have. That's what I did. Total revision.txt. Man. What do I do now? It's not valid. Sorry. It is 7.2.1. I know that. Seven point two point one. What do I do? I don't know. Validation is failing. That's what we did. Whatever they showed in the solution. Thank you. Yeah. Currently, the web deployment is running with sensitive database environment variables directly embedded in the deployment YAML. To enhance security and protect the sensitive data, perform the following steps. Create a Kubernetes server secret named DB secret. Okay. Create secret named DB secret. With the values from literal. Create secret generic. Sorry. Now we have any of this from literal db host equals MySQL host from literal db user equals root and from literal db password equals db password. Equals. Yep, there's the command we ran, and now we have to edit the deployment. Let me just get this, paste, okay, edit, sorry, deployment, web app deployment. We're getting it from here. Secret. Using a secret as environment variables. Value from secret ref. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just copy this. We have all this. What is the name of the secret? DB secret, and the key. DB secret, and the key. DB secret, and the key. Yep. So for DB ho, wait, what? Oh, I just copied the DB host part also for everyone. My bad. So for DB password, we have key as DB password. DB user, DB user, DB host, DB host. This should do it. Load. Check please. Thank you. I know I couldn't do it. Sorry. There is a Redis deployment, and the Redis NS namespace with replica 1. Your task is to scale it to 3k scale -n Redis deployment, Redis deploy replicas 3. Get -n Redis deployment. Done. I hope I get such questions. There's a lot of silence in our stream, right? Yeah. Create a deployment named Nginx app deployment using the Nginx image and scale the application. Create deployment with the image Nginx and replicas 3. Then give it a name. App deployment. Get deployments ready. How many are? Whoa. Okay. We're all ready. Rollback. Okay. Seems like we've done it. Let's do it anyway. Okay. So due to a missing feature in the current version, to resolve this issue, perform a rollback of the deployment, Redis deployment to the previous version. After rolling back the deployment, save the image currently in use to the and you can finally increase. Okay, the replicas to 3. Okay, rollout, undo, deployment, Redis deployment. Okay, describe deployment, grep image. Actually, it better be I, small I. Yeah, that's case insensitive. Oh, okay, scale deployments, Redis deployment to replicas 3, and I have to save this. Echo this. Check, please. Perfect. etcd. Okay, we're back to troubleshooting. For some reason I'm getting a headache, but it's fine. We'll just complete this and only go after that. Something is not working at the moment on control plane node. Check that, and etcd pod is cause not okay. Get nodes. It's ready. Something not working at the moment on control plane. Check that, and etcd control plane pod is running in queue system environment. Take backup and store it in this. Also store backup console output in this. We've done this actually. Okay. Okay, get pods minus n cube system. etcd is not, it is running. So since it's a daemon set, etcd Kubernetes manifests nano etcd. They usually give it in caps, I guess. Is that it? Everything is running actually. I don't know what they're talking about. Uh, I am not sure what they're talking about. Create a backup. Let's see. Backup. I don't need from discussions, man. Operating etcd. Yes. Backing up. We export this first. Let me just clear the screen for you. And this is what we do. But this is not what we do. This is what we do. Yes. What all do we need? Let me just change this like this. Yep. PA cert and key. What file is this? Is there a CSR? There is a key file. I need to give a CSR, I guess. Really? That's what I did? My brain is not braining. Anyway, CA cert. We require a CA cert. Trusted C file. Was that the one? I'm assuming. Yeah. Ooh. I don't know what it wants me to check in ATCD, so gotta check. Troubleshooting. The solution. Man. Yeah, something is not working. Okay. Oh, why did you slow down? Why do we need 4 hours? I don't know. Huh? It's solved? It's there's nothing. It was running. Anyway, scenarios. I just hope I don't get that error. That I have a workspace already open. And that's why it can't open another one. Daemon set issue. Yep. Deployed now. It's not creating any pod on the control plane node. Fix this issue and make sure the pods are getting created on all nodes. Okay, get pods. 1. Okay, get nodes. Control plane. Okay, edit. Deployment. Actually, daemon sets. Cache daemon sets. Daemon set is managed by kubelet, right? Oh, sorry. Shiz. I did Control S. And that causes issues. In Vim. Oh. Okay, get pods minus O wide. System CTL status kubelet is running. Then why is the daemon set not running? Okay, describe daemon set created pod desired number of node schedule node selector. Do we need dates and tolerations for this? Okay, describe nodes. Daemon set docs pod template. Node affinity. So we require dates and tolerations also. The daemon set or controller automatically adds a set of tolerations to daemon pods. You can add your own tolerations as well. Don't need this. Okay, describe nodes, control plane, grep minus I dates. I just have to add this. Paints and tolerations. Yep, I just have to add this. First, let me add this. Then let's copy this. Key edit daemon set. Since we have only one, control takes us all the way down. Yeah, let's just add it here, and we can take this from here, add it here. Perfect. And the key is this. Okay, I'll just delete daemon set cache. Okay, apply minus F. Nano. It goes in the spec of the pod, right? Uh, daemon set tolerations. This is how you add tolerations. That's how you taint nodes. Um, 。 . 。 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . . . 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . Then directly add tolerations, but at the container level, I need this there. One, two, three, four. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Apply. Okay. Get daemon sets. 2 out of 2. Ready. Yep. The tolerations were removed. And now we know. Service account role binding. Okay. I would like to listen to music. I could set some music in the background. But I just want to like not have my voice masked. That's fine. How many are we left with? We'll do this. 8. So on 9th one. And then we have 8 left. Okay. You have a service account named prod SA, a role named prod role CKA, and a role binding named prod role binding CKA. We are trying to create list and get the services. However, the using prod SA service account is not able to perform this operations. Fix the issue. So let's see what permissions this role has. Role describe. It only has list, so I don't know what I'm getting into. So let's get nano. Okay, edit role prod role CKA. We also want create, and we also want get, and we don't want paths, we want services. Now let's check. Okay, auth can I as I don't know, let's just put products. Oh no, you have to give namespace, right? Default product say create SVC. No. Okay, get role binding. Describe. Is that not a thing? Okay. Find service account default namespace. Role. Prod role CKA, yeah. Okay. Describe role. Prod role CKA. Resources service. Create list and get. And we have a role binding also. Okay, auth can I as prod say, and let's just see how to use this. Auth, is it here? It's here. Auth can I Create pods list. I wanna, can I as, what is the as part? Oh yeah, let's check here. Control F, can I kubectl reference, kubectl auth, can I, yes. Create list, yeah, list jobs, sub resource logs, approve, username to impersonate user can be auto service account and a namespace, and CUID. Okay, as prod say create services. No, how do you know what prod say is first of all? Wait, a describe role this thing, and since this role is in the default namespace, what is the issue? Troubleshooting. That's what I did. That is exactly what I did. I can list, create, and get. But then why isn't the auth thing not working? Do I put role? How do we give the as thing? Service account, something like this. Auth service account. Auth can I service account. See, this is what we needed and we overlooked it. God damn it. Service account default prod SA. Yes, yes, I can. Are we done with this? Last 8 to go. Come on, we can do this. We can end it right here, right now. You have a service account named devsa, a role named devrole CKA, and a role binding. We are trying to create list. However, devsa service account is not able to. Okay. Why? Let's see the role. Okay. Actually, let's get this first and directly edit. Okay, edit role devrole CKA secrets. We want to do services, boy. Services get list create pods and services. Pods and services. We get role binding. Describe dev role CKA to dev SA in the default namespace. Create list get pods and services. Now it should. Can I as system service account default namespace and dev SA create SVC? Yes. Create pod? Yes. Check again. Main. Create list get the path and services. Create list pod SVC get pod. Yeah. Path services. Is this how you want it? Like, it was the order of things. Wrong job issue. Okay. The question is CKA pod exposed internally within the service name CKA service, and for CKA pod monitor access through SVC. Purpose deployed CKA cron job that runs every minute. Now CKA not working as expected. Why? CKA get cron job. Since it's unknown territory, let's do this, and instead of get, let's do edit. Spec job template. Perl CKA pod. Is that how it's supposed to work? What namespace are you in? I think you're supposed to do CK service, right? You'd hit the service, not the pod. Where is the error? Finish. Recent error. Okay. Uh, let's see if we have any logs. Okay. Logs. CKA. Pods. Not found in namespace default. What the hell? Could not resolve CKA pod. Could not connect to server. What service is this? Okay, get svc minus o wide 80. And the default namespace. There it should be able to call, but the latest log says could not connect to server. Why? Is there some issue with the pod? Can we call this? No. Why? Okay, get pods. Okay, edit pod. CK pod. Do we have to report? Container port, if I'm not wrong, in the pod. Yes, please. Ports, container port. Okay, replace minus f minus force. Okay, get svc. This one, let's try calling it. Not ql. Sure. Connection refuse. Is there a network policy also there? Okay, that network policies. Yeah, that is fine. CKA pod is running. Oh, pod. Host pod 0. What does that mean? Container port 80, yes. Cluster IP. We get pods minus O wide. There is a pod IP, right? We'll just take 19 later. Okay, I can hit this. Okay, get SVC minus O wide. SVC isn't working. Why? App CKA pod. Okay, get pod to labels. Oh, this bitch has no labels. I am sorry for my language. Okay, edit label pod CK pod app equals this. Now let's try curling this. Yes. Okay, get pods completed. It might not be. What do you want now? CKA service /1. What does it mean? That is every minute. Oh my god. Doesn't that mean every minute? Okay, edit on job. Schedule. It is running every minute, right? Boy. I'm glad we got the service thing right. But we have to change it to a service, and that the service was not pointing to the pod because of the labels. We're done with storage, troubleshooting. Okay. May not open it. Okay. That is so amazing in Kubernetes that you can hit the pod with its IP as well as the service, like locally. Amazing. My PC is stuck in a pending state. Okay, let's get this. Yep. Okay, edit PVC, my PVC. Actually, okay, describe PVC, my PVC. Storage. Storage class standard not found. Okay, get actually describe. PV, my PV, storage class is standard not found. So what, default is what you want? Standard. Storage class. K get storage classes. Sorry. Yes. Name local path. Is that what we want to do? K edit PV. Post path. So K edit PVC. Okay. If that's how you want to play. K replace minus F minus force. Yep. K describe PVC. PVC. Waiting for first argument to be created before binding. Make sure it is in bound state. K get PVC. It's not bound yet because it is waiting for something. Oh, I could just give the volume name, right? K get PV. Volume name my PV. K edit PVC. Volume name. Why is it still pending? Okay, describe PVC, whichever it is. Requested PV is too small. Okay, edit PV. How much? Storage is 100. Rewrite once. Okay, describe. Actually, edit. Okay, edit PVC 150. We should ask for 100. Men. K replace minus F minus force. K get PVC. Pending. K describe PVC. Cannot bind to requested volume in compatible access mode. K edit PVC. Rewrite many. Also. K edit PV. Read write many. K get PVC. K describe PVC my PVC. Incompatible access mode. K replace this one. K get PVC. Pending. K describe PVC. Already bound to a different claim. No, there are no. K get PV this minus O YAML. PV.YAML. K get PVC minus this pvc minus o YAML pvc dot YAML. It doesn't matter, but this, yeah. K delete pvc this, K delete pv this, K apply minus f dot, K describe pvc my pvc. Wait, volume might be already bound to different which claim, man. K get, it's only one. Don't need any of this. Spec. Don't want this. Yes. Tell me it's bound. Deployment issue 2. There is there. Try to deploy. If there is an issue, fix that. Okay. Okay, apply minus F. Front end. Name spaces not found. Okay, create ns nginx ns created. Okay, get deployments in nginx ns done. Deployment issue 3. Pods are running, not running. Fix that. Okay, let's see. Okay, get deployments. Okay, get pods. Okay, describe. Let's clean this. Pods. Successfully pulled. Image size byte and this container ID calls. Optional. We need this stuff. Environment variable set to the key. Okay. This would be easier. Let's just do this. And okay, edit deployment. I just need this stuff. Okay, get CM. Okay, edit CM post, not VM. CM Postgres. Metadata annotations. Data. Let's just add this stuff. Not here. Let's just add it to the top. Yeah, we don't need this. We need name, key, and name. Postgres DB, Postgres user. We need a Postgres password. Hello. And we don't need any of this stuff. Those are just comments. Okay, get deployments. Okay, get pods. Okay, describe pods. What is the issue now? Postgres DB. Set to the key Postgres. Okay, wait. We added the deployments. Postgres DB. Postgres user. Postgres password. Just give me a second. Yep, I'm back. Yeah, I don't get this. What is the issue with the pod? Oh, there's so much data. Yeah, this is fine. Postgres. Set the key. Oh, this wasn't the issue. Reason create container config failed. Why did it fail to create the container? There are two containers? Postgres container. Oh, clear. Yes, thank you. This is one container. I changed that. Postgres DB secret. Okay, edit pm Postgres config. This is the command. Wait, what? This is the data, right? Okay, edit deployment. What is this name? Postgres DB config. Is that the name? No, that's the name. I'm sorry. There were two things you had to do. Okay, get deployments. And it is running now. Troubleshooting. It should be here. Network policy issue. Let's solve this. Let's set it. And yeah, So red pod, green pod, blue pod pods are running, and red pod exposed with the cluster using red service, and network policy applied on red pod. Problem is now that red pod is accessible from both green pod and blue pod pods. Fix the issue that green pod can only access the red pod. Okay. Get pods minus show labels. Run equals green pod. Okay. Get network policy. Allow green and blue. Hmm. Hmm. Let me just edit network policies. Continue. Get pods show label. Only run green pod is the pod selector that we have to add. We don't want this basically. Lol. That did not just happen. Exec pod blue pod. Get pods minus O wide. Do we have a port number? Red pod from the blue pod. I can just try pinging. Yeah. Ping. No ping in there. Telnet. I'll have to add ping first. Okay. Apt update. Install ping Ubuntu. Install this. Okay. Just search for it. Apt-get install blue pod. Can I ping it now? It's not accessible. But let's do this for green pod. Let's make it easier for us. We're installing ping in the green pod, and let's try pinging from the green pod to the red pod. What? Why would you do that to me? What kind of green pod is this, man? दिल का इरादा. Why was that different? This one can ping the red pod. Our network policy is properly attached. We're just gonna take the. Where is the one that we haven't solved in troubleshooting? We did deployment 3, deployment 4, config issue. Network policy, yeah, not ready. Port issue is the last one. We'll just search by that. Kubelet service is not running on a control plane to be in not ready state. Okay, get pods. Okay, get nodes. It is in ready state. SSH control plane. Nice. System CTL status service. Sorry, kubelet. Mm-hmm. 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 Kubelet. Mm-hmm. It started. That's all. You just have to start the service. Control F port issue. This is the last one. When you run kubectl get nodes. Okay. The port issue. Did you specify the right host or port to make above command work again, and above error will come again after a few seconds? And also keep control manager pod continuously restarting, fix above expectation. Wait, what did I just hit? What is hard to? I don't know. The last time we had this issue was because kubeconfig was not properly set up, but it shows that the port that it's trying to hit, this 443, is correct. So Kube API server has some issue. And also kube controller manager control plane continuously. Okay, first we need to set up cd kubernetes etc kubernetes manifest, not ks, ls nano kube API server 6443 etcd 2379 secure port 633. I'm assuming 6443. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I'm just testing something. Okay, get pods. No. Why is it not clearing? No resources found. Okay, get pods. Yes, this is working now. This There is no issue. And controller manager has some issue, right? Nano cube controller manager. What to look for? 10257. Okay, but let's pause minus n cubes. Are there any other? There are. Cube API server control plane. I don't know. Cube is running 100 seconds ago, yeah. Check. So we're done with this. It's been almost an 2 hour stream. So yeah, I guess we should be pretty prepared for the CKA certification. I do want to do these two. How many are there? Oh, I've done quite a few. I guess I'll just complete these off stream and do the killer asset simulation. And yeah, schedule my exam for this Friday. I feel pretty confident. I guess I'm not sure if I'll be streaming tomorrow. If I do, it'll probably be the CKA killer shell stuff. But yeah. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And see you soon. Bye bye.